Hello students, good morning and welcome to my new video. देखो स्टूडेंट्स प्रीवियस क्लास से पढ़ाई थिला इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ओके तो केस 1 सॉरी थिला केस 1 टा कोन फॉर यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ओके देन हमें सारी थिले टॉर्क इन वेक्टर फॉर्म कंप्लीट करि थिले. देखो देन आज हमें देखिबा इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स phi e symbol টা কোন, that is phi e. Okay, electric flux, that is phi. So what is the definition of electric flux? देखो students, that is electric flux for a surface, electric flux for a surface placed in electric field, placed in electric field is the sum of dot product of E vector and ds vector, E vector and ds vector. Okay, for all the elementary area constitute the surface. देखो students, this is the definition. Electric flux for a surface placed in electric field is the sum of dot product of E vector and ds vector for all the elementary area constitute the surface. Okay, then according to definition formula कौन हला, that is phi e is equal to integration s E vector dot ds vector. Give equation number 1. एटी integration s माने कौन, integration s माने होची देखो integration s equal to represent the integral taken over the whole surface, देखो स्टूडेंट इंटीग्रेशन s माने कौन, represent the integral taken over the whole surface. Okay, then we know ds vector is equal to ds into n cap. Okay, give equation number 2. Okay, give equation number 2. एबे कोन करिबा equation 2 रा वैल्यू equation 1 यूज करिबा. देखो using equation 2 in equation number 1 we get put कला पर कोन हबो. देखो that is phi e is equal to integration s E vector dot ds vector जरे कोन लिखिबा ds into n cap. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, then phi e is equal to integration s E vector dot n cap ds. Okay, then phi e is equal to integration s, that is E ds cos theta. Okay, it is side লেখা মেনশন করো E vector dot n cap is equal to E cos theta. Okay, E cos theta. Then what is the value of theta? Theta माने कोन एक्चुअली, theta माने होची देखो that is angle between theta is equal to angle between E vector and n cap. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, theta is equal to angle between E vector and n cap. Okay, this is the formula of electric flux. Okay, give equation number 3. This is the formula of electric flux. Then देखो स्टूडेंट्स, then basically there are 3 types of electric flux. देखिए that is basically there are 3 types of electric flux. Okay, 3 types of electric flux. कौन, that is number 1 positive electric flux, number 2 negative electric flux, number 3 zero electric flux. Okay, zero electric flux. Okay, then first हमें देखिबा number 1 positive electric flux. Okay, what is called positive electric flux? Okay, definition देखो, if the electric flux is said to be positive electric flux, is said to be positive electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap, okay, E vector and n cap is less than 90 degree, okay, less than 90 degree. देखो, if the electric flux is said to be positive electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap is less than 90 degree, okay, so phi E is positive, okay, phi E is positive. Then number 2, the question definition of positive electric flux, if the electric flux is said to be positive electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap is less than 90 degree, so phi is positive, okay. Then number 2 होची देखो, that is negative electric flux, negative electric flux. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, negative definition कोन हबो, that is if the electric flux is said to be negative electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap is greater than 90 degree, okay, so phi is negative. देखो स्टूडेंट definition, if the electric flux is said to be negative electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap is greater than 90 degree, so phi is negative, okay. Then number 3 देखो, number 3 होची zero electric flux, number 3 zero electric flux. zero electric flux माने कोन, definition देखो, if the electric flux is said to be zero electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap is 90 degree, so phi is phi equal to 0 हबो देखो, that is what, zero electric flux, phi is equal to 0 or zero electric flux, okay, this is called zero electric flux. देखो definition, if the electric flux is said to be zero electric flux if the angle between E vector and n cap is 90 degree, so phi is 0 or zero electric flux, okay. Then unit of electric flux, very important, that short question, that is unit of phi. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, phi माने what, that is electric flux, phi माने होची electric flux, okay. Then हमें देखिबा for SI system, then for CGS system, okay. SI रे कोन हबो, then CGS रे कोन हबो देखिबा, SI रे हबो देखो फार्मूला कोन, that is phi is equal to E vector dot ds vector, okay. Then phi is equal to E vector माने कोन, electric field intensity, okay. तो फार्मूला हबो देखो, that is force by charge into ds vector, okay. E vector माने कोन, electric field intensity, और फार्मूला कोन, force by charge, that is phi is equal to unit कोन हला, force हला SI unit Newton into area, ds माने कोन area, that is meter square by charge रो कोन, that is SI unit coulomb. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, very important, this is the SI unit of electric flux. Then CGS हमें देखिबा, that is phi is equal to formula constant E vector dot ds vector, then phi is equal to force by charge into ds vector dot ds vector, that is phi is equal to कोन हबो, force कोन हबो CGS रे dyne into centimeter square by start coulomb ESU system. Okay, that is start coulomb. Okay, this is the CGS unit of electric flux. Okay, then हम नेक्स्ट क्लास से देखिबा गोटे इंपोर्टेंट टॉपिक नेक्स्ट क्लास से पढ़िबा. ओके, दैट इज डायमेंशन ऑफ फाई. डायमेंशन ऑफ फाई. फाई माने कोन? दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स रो डायमेंशन काढिबा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास से. ओके, जदि ए वीडियो जदि भल लागुछि माने काइंडली लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो और पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन को दबाई दियो. ओके.